where you unlock the market. Okay, today we'll be talking about trading view. We'll be talking about break of structure. I know you guys like, what the fuck, you talked about it earlier on. So we'll be talking about break of structure today. Remember guys, I told you about break of structure. Okay, break of structure is very simple. It's when price break above or below a previous or a recent highs. Okay, that's break of structure. So whereby price goes like this, coming to demand, goes up, this is for a buy and this is for a sell. Okay, so break of structure, the word called break of structure is when price break above and below, so we'll call it BoS. That's what traders are. Like I said, all these are just names, so you can use the preferred names, okay, that you switch, or that will be easier for you. Okay, that's easy. Okay, like for me, I don't usually use the word BOS. Okay, I usually use up and down. Okay, because the concept of up and down is within me already. Okay, I'm actually known about it, but the word BOS, break of structure, at time goes on, it gets to it. But if you want to get this game faster, just make it very simple, whereby you say up and down. Okay, when price break above like this, we have a break of structure. When price break below, we have break of structure. This one is to the upside, this is to the up, and this is to the down. Okay, so let me show you guys quick on the chart. Remember, as like I said, break of structure. Look at how break of structure works. This is a break of structure. Let me change this my line so you guys can see it perfectly. I think you guys are not seeing this line. Okay, so now this is a break of structure. And remember guys, a value break of structure must break with a body, all right, not a wick. And wick doesn't mandate a break of structure. Okay, this is these are a break of structure is being marked, not a wick. Okay, so these are a break of structure being marked. Then remember guys, like I said, break of structure rules. Remember the rules on break of structure. If you don't remember it, go and watch those videos back, or whereby I say the last candle, the last structure that break the major structure, that is your key zone. Okay, this is why here is our key zone. This is where the imbalance was. Okay, if you watch the video of supply and demand, this is the video. This is where the imbalance was. Okay, so this is how it works. So this leg becomes our key zone. All right, so let me show you for a downtrend. All right, break of structure rules is very, very, very simple. All right, this is cleared also, but once time goes on, but this is for beginner purpose, whereby I'll make it very, very, very easy for you guys. All right, okay, we got a clean one here. Yeah, let me use this one. We got a clean one here, whereby we are going up, then we broke structure to the downside. You can see we broke structure to the downside, and the concept of supply and demand, it happened here. So whereby the last candle here, you can see price came in back to the last candle to retest the supply zone before pushing down to the downside. For break of structure, once price broke, you see price came back to be, due to it was the structure that broke the structure. So price came back and tested it. All right, price came back and tested it before it moved down. That's how BOS works. Okay guys, so break of structure is very simple. Once price break above, this is a break of structure. Once price break above is break of structure. When price breaks below like this, it means we have changed character, or we have, they call it chalk or change of character. So it's also break of structure. So this is also break of structure to the downside. Okay, which I'll talk about on trend movement, not on break of structure. Okay, so guys, break of structure movement is very, very, very simple. I know I'm doing a rough work, which is supposed to be, because this is actually journey. I don't want you guys to get this start feeling about getting a clean work. If you start getting the clean work, that means I'm playing with it. Okay, this is the rough work, and this is the work you need to know about it. Break of structure means higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so break of structure, like I said, it goes like this. All right, once we break, we are going to the up. We break, we are going to the up. Once price start breaking to the downside like this, let me draw them down for you guys to see. Once price starts going down like this for you guys to see. Okay, now okay, that's my part 2. So now once price start breaking to the downside like this, now we are going to the downside. So this is how it works. Okay, up, down. All right, so this is how it works, guys. Everything you need to know is very simple. Trading is very simple. You just need to stop listening to the noise in the market. The noise the chart produce a lot of noise, so just focus on what you need to know. How to mark it up is very simple. It's called swing high and swing low. How to mark break of structure, like I said, watch the third video, you understand about top down analysis. You can see the way I mark the structure. That is how you mark your structure. It's called swing high and swing low. That is what the market initially do. Okay, this is what the market initially do. It's just this. Let me give you the simple thing about market. This is how market looks like. This is how market looks like. Okay, first it makes an impulsive move. Okay, then comes down to this midpoint whereby I will call it an imbalance. So this imbalance here, price will not decide is either going to the upside or is that going to the downside. So if this was an uptrend, so if price break this previous leg here, it become a downside. If price break above, so this is how the market looks like. Okay, so once this, I will start marking our break of structure. Once price now started, okay, price now be like, oh, okay, it's time for me to decide. Now let me go to the upside. Now I've gone to the upside. So now, since you now know price has gone to the upside over here, you now know, okay, now we are not going to the upside. So anytime you see price coming back again, anytime you see price coming back again to this downside, this is where you now start waiting again to know the fate of the direction. Okay, and now you can mark your next BoS if it's still going to the upside or to the downside. All right, and guys, it's very easy. So feel free, like and subscribe. And trading is a number game. So the word psychology and all that, we talked about it. I know you guys have been DMing me about those type of things. So but we'll talk about that on a next video. But for this, for break of structure. Okay, so guys, do like and subscribe to this channel. Let it grow and let others saw it. I see a lot of people are facing, and this trading is going to be one of the biggest thing in this industry. Okay, trade like in this world now, because everybody is not saying this matrix or game about the whole rat game, the whole rat race and all that. All right, so trading is actually becoming part of the world now. Like the world is not fully accepting it. All right, so you guys share this video so others will know about it. Okay, then others will be able to tell their friends. The more the merrier. Okay, the more you tell others and they're actually doing it with you, the better. Because if you are doing it alone, the struggle is hard. Though I know the journey is very hard doing it alone, but it builds. Okay, the journey of trading is very rough, but it's built. So guys, let's get to our next video. And guys, do subscribe, like and follow for more. It's not easy, okay, to keep doing this back to back. And now I'm breaking it whereby you guys can see my face and how I'm able to discuss this thing with you guys. I know the last time I did the video it was just my hands, but now I'm showing you guys how it works. So it's real, man. Trading is fun. Okay, so let's get to this game. Like and subscribe. Peace.